your dreams, the life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
All right, y'all. So when you're walking into the Home2 Suites, let's start right here real quick. You got your TV, you got your coffee area. What's that? Paintings or whatever you want to call art on the wall. Sitting area everywhere. It's actually nice. You can sit down here and work. I see charging stations over there. Bam. So, yep. Bring your laptop, sit down and chill. Look like they got a little workstation too if you need to, print off some stuff and everything. This is pretty cool. They actually have breakfast here for people who are like, I know if you're a Diamond member, which we are, you get free breakfast. I'm not sure about Gold. I would think so. Also, oh yeah, look, treats for your dog. Well, they're out right now. A few left. I'm sure they got some somewhere. That's a good thing. You got pets. We don't, but if you do, they got treats for them too. Also, they have a beer wine station. Where you can, get you a beer wine through the keg thing. It shows you the steps of how to do it. All the beers are 60 cents an ounce. The two wines are 118 ounce. You have your store right here to buy things. As you can see, I'm not really going to go into detail too much of that. It's a store. You know where the store is. So then you walk this way, the front desk. They're working hard around here. So then this is another seating area right here. Also behind the curtain is where they have the continental breakfast in the morning. It's like, got the little buffet area. This morning I had like Belgian waffle and cereal and some coffee. Another TV. Yeah. You got elevators on this side and rooms down that hall. Then you got rooms down that hall as well. So I'm gonna take you this way. And we're about to go check out the gym. Yeah, a couple restrooms as well. So you have the gym and you have the guest laundry right there. So let's walk into the gym real quick. All right, let's walk into the gym real quick. So this is the gym at Home2 Suites, not bad. You got a bike, some weights right there, a couple treadmills, ellipticals. You got a bench, there we go. Free weights, balls, TV, somebody working out, hydration station. And the gym runs into the laundry area for the guests. So then you have your laundry. And it's $4 to do your laundry. Also, too, they have an app now to do your laundry, so you can pay on your app, which is cool. And I'm gonna go back out right here. So we exited through the gym, we came out the laundry, and also go back out there, and you see Mom and Cadence out